We're taking a look now at a vintage Homelite XL12 recoil, clutch sprocket cover, and the bar guide plates. These parts received a very deep, thorough cleaning. The recoil got a brand new spring, a brand new pull rope, and works really, really well. The bar guide plates are in nice condition. This set is ready to go. Bolted on and run. Not the prettiest you'll ever see, but absolutely mechanically nice. Also, the switch is included with this unit, and yes, it does work. We are also including with this custom-made ground wire. It is both soldered and crimped, double heat shrinked, and will outlast the original. It's also a little bit longer, so that gives you a little bit easier time getting the cover on and off. Click on the link below for pictures and details, or to buy these parts right now at a very affordable price. Don't wait, don't hesitate, guys. If you do, it might be in your buddy Charlie's garage, but it won't be in yours. Vintage King Motorsports, where quality and price always matters most.